Welcome to Lecture 5. Today, we explore the brilliant mind of Aristotle, the great Greek philosopher who shaped science, logic, and education for centuries to come. He was born in 384 BC and died in 322 BC. Aristotle was a student of Plato. And the personal tutor of Alexander the Great, he founded the Lyceum, a philosophical school in Athens. His works covered everything from physics and zoology to ethics and government. Let's understand his philosophy of education. Section 1. Objective reality, where Plato believed that reality existed in a world of pure ideas. Aristotle argued that reality exists in the physical, observable world. Plato equals idealism, Aristotle equals realism. This marked a major shift in philosophy from abstract thinking to real-world observation. Section 2. Sensation as the root of knowledge. Aristotle believed that knowledge begins with the senses. What we see, hear, and feel forms the foundation of all learning. From this sensory experience, we build concepts and understand the world. Aristotle emphasized observation, evidence, and experience, a major step toward modern science. Section 3. Aristotle on education. For Socrates and Plato, the aim of education was to gain knowledge. But for Aristotle, the true aim of education was the attainment of happiness and goodness. He believed that virtue lies in living a good and meaningful life. Education, therefore, should develop moral character, rational thinking, and a balanced personality. Section 4. Aristotle's methods. Aristotle used both inductive and deductive reasoning. He was the first to define these methods clearly and applied them to both physical and mental studies. He believed that truth lies in facts, in real experiences, and in the life of the society. Section 5. Curriculum. Aristotle proposed a clear curriculum based on stages of development: infancy, before 7 years, focus on play; physical activities and storytelling, ages 7 to 14, teach basic reading, writing, arithmetic, and moral habits, ages 15 to 21. Focus on mathematics, astronomy, grammar, poetry, rhetoric, ethics, and politics, age 21 and beyond. Study advanced subjects: physics, cosmology, logic, biology, psychology, and metaphysics. This system prepared students intellectually, morally, and practically for adult life. Section 6. Limited role of women. Unfortunately, Aristotle held a narrow view of women's education. He believed that women were intellectually inferior and did not include them in formal education. Girls were expected only to be trained for household roles and child-rearing. Section 7. Aristotle's theory of knowledge. Unlike Plato, who believed knowledge comes from pre-existing ideas, Aristotle taught that knowledge comes from the world around us. We classify and understand objects through reason, and this becomes the basis of subject-based learning. In short, knowledge is about things we experience, not just ideas we imagine. Conclusion: Aristotle's educational philosophy was grounded in reality, reason, and virtue. He believed that education should begin with observation, lead to understanding, and end with ethical action, though he differed from Plato in many ways. Both philosophers helped lay the foundations of Western education and philosophy.